Hitting the market in Harvey Park is this rare Ensor model. Ensor is the builder, and it's the Kenton model. So this model has storybook window trim, storybook style, two-tone brick, professionally landscaped front yard with sprinkler system and lighting. RV parking over here, and the nice thing that I like about Harvey Park is that there's no HOA, so nobody's telling you what you have to do or can do with your house. You can paint that fence pink if you want. I love this model. I think the market's going to go crazy for it, and let's go. I'll show you why. Right here, so you have a nice little like awning breeze through here, and there's your door to your garage, and so on cold snowy days you don't have to worry about trekking it through. Alright, so you walk in, you have visibility to the front yard, the backyard, the dining area, and this is just like the hub of the house right here. And it's bright, but it's not hot because the sun is going to be running along the south side of the house here. So this house is well lit, but it's never going to be just getting beat on with the sun. So I like that. Original red oak hardwood floors, and it leads right on through here to your dining room. Big granite peninsula. You got a place over here. There's tons of storage in here, tons of counter space. This is where I would have my coffee, and I'd wake up every morning and I'd look at my kitchen and say, damn, that's a nice kitchen. I'm glad I bought this house. And then you have plenty of seating for whoever at your bar top, countertop here, and then just a formal dining area. Love this house, and again, you can see right through the backyard. So it's a great, just welcome gathering space, this L shape right here. I'll take you back to the bedrooms. So on the left here again is your entryway, so a big circle through there. There's a coat closet. On the right here we have a Jack and Jill bathroom that connects to another full bath. So there's half bath here, full bath that connects to the master bedroom. So I'll take you on the loop over here. So you have 3 bedrooms here. They're using this right now as their nursery, great nursery size. That could fit a queen bed easily in there, and the closet, dual door closet. I like the privacy too of these homes because the house is a little bit elevated above the street, and so yeah, the street's kind of looking down on me, gives you a little bit more privacy. Again, updated windows, original tiles on the window sill, and again the double door closets in here. Now these are 1950s homes, so the bedrooms in this neighborhood aren't big, but this is a big one for the neighborhood for sure. So they have a king size bed in here. Again, it's a little elevated from the street, and that leads right into the full bath with separation between the toilet and the shower. So this can be accessed from for your guests and keep your half of this closed, or you can open it up. Updated vanity in this half bath. So I remember when I I sold this actually to the buyer right now. So I sold this to them a few years ago, and this is a much nicer vanity, so it's a great update that they've done here. Cool. Alright, let's check out the downstairs. New barn door. Alright, so you come down here, big welcome open area, and it's quiet down here too. So quiet and cool, and it's the middle of the summer. It's hot out there right now, guys. But I feel great in here. So great space to do whatever you wanted to do. But this house ain't got no quit in it. And so you have another full bath here with the shower. And you have a nice, cozy, quiet bedroom down here. It's got room for, you know, if you have a trophy wardrobe, that is the best place for it, with lots of storage along the side. Big laundry room. Big laundry room, tons of storage. But wait, it doesn't stop. Over here you have a little workshop, yoga studio, whatever you want to do. This would be a great for somebody. If you're like over 6 foot, this might not be great. But for me, this would be great for yoga. Down here, be real quiet in the morning. Go get that coffee upstairs and come down here and get after it. This would be my quiet place. And then you have storage back in here. back in here, this doesn't quit. There is tons of storage room back in here. Runs basically the whole side of the house where the garage is. That's what this is right here. So we've got 4 bedrooms, we've got 3 bathrooms. We've got an oversized floor plan for the neighborhood. So nice covered patio here. Here's what I love about Harvey Park. So brick ranch style homes, where if you go to like Parker or Highlands Ranch, you have, you know, 2-story homes, and everyone's like looking down into the other person's backyard like fish bowls. But here in Harvey Park, they're all brick ranch homes in this area, and so you have a nice private chill backyard. Over here there's new Trex decking, some pavers, and then you have access again to the garage right here. Hey, so I'm Sean Murphy with the Moxie Denver real estate team at Keller Williams, and if you're interested in seeing this property or learning more about the neighborhood, give me a call, shoot me a text. Happy to help. Thanks.